What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Pepe fam, I am back with another video for you guys. We back with some more bullish content. Pepe fam, stand up, share the video, like, comment, subscribe, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views, guys. Come on, Pepe fam, show support. See, you guys showed a bit of support to this previous video. Not as much support on this one that I just recently posted, man. But if you hold Pepe, go out and support every content creator of Pepe, man. This is how you spread awareness, similar to how, you know, Shiba or Doge have like huge content creators. So it's just constant awareness of the project, right? You guys of the Pepe fam, I think it's in your best interest to support content creators of Pepe, right? And myself included. So guys, in this video we're gonna be talking about how Pepe has been featured in a mainstream news site, okay, news company, both. It is featured, has been featured in one of the top mainstream news companies, and we're gonna dive into that in this video. Pepe fam, again, please show support to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. And before we get into that, let's take a look at the price action and some tweets from the community and what they're saying on CMC as well. We got right now Pepe at $476 million in market cap. Very nice entry for Pepe, in my opinion. Just under the $500 million market cap. So if you get in at this entry and it does 100x from here, which is $50 billion in market cap, that would be a nice top, right? I think Shiba, that was Shiba's top in the previous bull run. Shiba went to $50 billion in market cap. So Pepe going to $50 billion in market cap, I don't think it's far-fetched at all, right? If Shiba do it, a huge iconic meme like Pepe could potentially do the same as well, if not more, right? It could go even harder than Shiba did, in my opinion, right? There's so many people in the Ethereum space that are bullish on Pepe. A lot of people have bags in Pepe. And the awareness for Pepe is just through the roof, man. You think the hype will die for Pepe, it just never does. It really just never does. $52 million in 24-hour trade volume. The only thing that Pepe lacks now is the Coinbase listing and retail more new retail coming into the space. That's all I really think, right? Remember, this is a meme coin. They're not aiming to develop and create anything. It's just, you know, having fun with memes, and that's what a meme coin should be based upon and, you know, focused on, right? So we'll see what happens going into the as time progresses, going into the next bull cycle. We'll see what happens, but I think, and you know, my instincts are just telling me, if you're gonna be in a meme, I wouldn't be in Doge or Shiba. Now obviously you could have exposure to all three, Doge, Shiba, Pepe, right? But I really do believe that Pepe will have the most upside out of the three. I think Pepe will do 100x, maybe 200x from here, and it's at, like I said, it's at $500 million in market cap, right? 100x from here, 50 billion. That's what Shiba did, right? And it could potentially, because the next bull cycle might be the biggest we've ever seen, it could potentially do a 200x from here and go to $100 billion in market cap, right? So getting in at this entry just under 500 mil is the smartest way to get the exact 200x, right? And then obviously when the bull market comes back, you start selling on the way up. Again, Pepe also has great price discovery because it's never seen a bull run before. It's never seen a bull run ever. That's another thing, right, that you can't miss out on and ignore. Shiba and Doge have already seen bull runs. Pepe is the new shiny project on the block, and I think, like I said with my previous video, just like how GameStop had a huge explosion, Doge and Shiba had their huge explosions where a ton of retail and a ton of people that didn't even know about crypto were talking about Doge. Just regular random people across the street talking about Dogecoin. Dogecoin being featured in TV shows. All of the noise that surrounded Doge, right? I think it's gonna happen for Pepe. I think people are kind of like, they're like, oh yeah, I remember Dogecoin. They're kind of like Yeah, it will run in the bull run. I think Doge and Shiba will run in the bull run, obviously, but I think Pepe coin, the Pepe meme coin, hasn't seen that yet, and it will see that huge retail awareness where like just random people across the street are like, yo, did you get in Pepe coin? You know, my friend from down the street got in Pepe coin, type of, you know, like you go into work, and then your coworkers are asking you like, did you get in Pepe coin? Or you just randomly talking to people, oh, you heard about Pepe coin? That's the type of awareness that I think is gonna happen in the future for Pepe. From first Bitcoin, the Pepe coin price has been on a correction in recent days, but a chart pattern suggests that the correction may be ending. The Pepe coin price is currently trading at 0.2, but a bullish flag pattern has formed on the chart. This pattern suggests the price is likely to break out to the upside and reach 0.15 in the near future. A bullish flag pattern is a continuation pattern that forms after a sharp price move. The pattern is characterized by sideways consolidation after the sharp price move, followed by a breakout to the upside. The breakout typically occurs at the same level as the previous price move. In the case of Pepe coin, the bullish flag pattern has formed after a sharp decline from 0.15 to 0.12, so the breakout to 0.15 is probably most likely that is going to be next. Very interesting stuff. We got the chart right here for you guys to see. Take a little zoom in on it, right? And you know, once we start breaking out again, you know, we could continue with that trend to the upside. Pepe 412k followers on Twitter. No new tweets right now, that's fine. We got from Plasma 221 new Pepe holders today. Bloomberg boosts the probability of the Bitcoin spot ETF will launch this year, 65% up from 50% previously. Awesome stuff. And from ETH Gems Alert, we got them farming engagement with Pepe. Smartest thing to do. I just might do the same thing on my main Twitter account. But yeah, comment for Pepe, retweet for Baby Doge, like for Safe Moon. Chef Derek, I can't stop buying this Pepe dip. That's what I'm saying. Now is when you start getting into, you know, DCA into Pepe, right? See how it's falling? This is when you DCA, man. Eventually it'll hit a bottom, and then you're gonna thank yourself when it starts moving back up. CoinGabber, top crypto projects by their highest social engagement, and we got number one Pepe with 552 million in social engagement. Absolutely insane stuff. That is super bullish for Pepe. I'm like, you know, you can't ignore it, man. There's always gonna be a space for meme coins in crypto, and I already see the top people in ETH, all the ETH whales, the people that got like millions of ETH. They're bullish on Pepe and a few other meme coins going into the next bull market. But Pepe is like their magnum opus of meme coins, right? And just like I was speaking out before, let me actually go back. Pauly, it's crazy that CNBC is arbitrarily crediting Elon Musk for my heroic around Pepe. So if we take a look right here, shared from Pauly Not Copington, Pepe is in the news. Pepe is shared by CNBC. Super freaking bullish. And this is the thing, I see it as all publicity is good publicity. If they wrote something good or bad, that's on them. But right here, the NRCI studied pointed to Musk's June 24, 2023 retweet, hitting and the caption, "I woke up, there's another PSYOP, a coin created by a pseudonymous Twitter influencer known as Ben.ETH. Trading of this altcoin nearly doubled in the volume over the next day, according to CoinMarketCap data." Separately, a Musk tweet on May 13, 2023, featuring Pepe the Frog memes led to a more than 50% increase in the price of the altcoin Pepe within 24 hours. Musk tweet fueled both authentic discussion and bot and promotional tweets about the altcoin, which is based on a popular far-right meme. I don't know why they're calling it far-right. Obviously, like, this Pepe coin has established, it's not like any political tied project. It's just a meme coin where people have fun with it. That's the reason why it doesn't have that Coinbase listing as yet, because it's branded as like a far right or extremist type of meme. But it's still bullish that it's in CNBC, right? All publicity is good publicity, and I'm telling you, this is just like a tip of the iceberg of what's to come, right? When people are seeing people make millions, hundreds of thousands of dollars on something, the word will spread. You know, even if they want to title it as far right, eventually they'll drop the labels, because guess what, people are making money, right? So it's just a patience thing now. But this is super bullish. You know, Polly has a lot of controversy around his name as well, but he's one of the people I was pushing Pepe and really got it to you know, those crazy levels it recently did. The community's just as base, still as strong and growing every day. So yeah, I expect, you know, even more crazy levels for Pepe in the future, right? So we'll see what happens, man. Polly saying they're saying Elon Musk took the work from him around Pepe, but yeah, he was one of the fundamental people that really got the community together and, you know, got people talking about Pepe. And it got so far, and I think it's only got a lot more room to grow, man. I'm telling you, meme coins, retail is never gonna stop buying meme coins. Meme coins are gonna outperform so many altcoins. Like, meme coins will outperform so many altcoins. There's so many projects that have launched on ETH. You know, I keep missing them or fumbling my bags. But there's so many 100x altcoins that have launched on ETH already, you know, getting new categories on CMC and CoinGecko, right? And that is a consistent thing, right? So the same thing will be here for Pepe. The ethers love Pepe. I tell you guys, this is their magnum opus of memes. All of the top influencers in ETH, they always boast about, not boast, but like say, okay, Pepe, and then they name off their other memes that they're in, right? But Pepe is always like the first one. So yeah, I think like I said, 100x to 200x for Pepe. I think that's in the most likely, man. And you know, CNBC mentioning Pepe in the news, that's crazy bullish stuff. Negative news or not, it's still news. And that's super bullish. So Pepe fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, make it go viral. Like, subscribe, let's get to 5,000 subscribers, and I'll catch you in the next one.